Today, I think I want to try Zara. And before we leave, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and let's go. Alrighty, now we are walking. I have to pull out my phone so I could put in the directions on my phone. 1 second. So I use Google Maps. What maps do you guys use? Do you guys use Apple Maps? Maybe there's another one that I've never heard of that you guys are using. I don't know. Alright, not such a long walk. 7 minutes. 7-minute walk. So let's see. So as we can see, there is no one here. There is nobody in front of us. There aren't people. There are 2 motorcycles. This one is blue. This one is white. Well, they're kind of like motorcycles. They're like scooter motors. Yeah, they're motorcycles. I would consider them motorcycles. Alrighty. These are stores here. That man's in a coat. He's wearing a tie, a red tie. He's wearing glasses. And yeah, as you can see, we are walking through I don't know what this place is called, but there's a lot of people here. Here's a fountain. There's a merry-go-round over there where kids go around in a circle, maybe on a horse or whatever object they would have you hold on to or sit on in order to go around, which is pretty cool. This is nice. Something smells good. I don't know what that is. It smells like cake. We are not far away. We're only like, let me see, 3 minutes away. So it's actually pretty close. Pretty close. Shoe store. They sell shoes there. It's another shoe store. Well, they have coats in there as well. H&M. H&M is another store that I like to shop at. And we are here at Zara. So let's walk in and see if they have anything for me. I think I have to go upstairs for what I may be looking for. Oh, lo siento. Ooh, it's a little dark. The lighting, okay, cool. So today they did not have what I needed. There was, I tried on 4 different types of pants. They were all black pants, but just 4 different styles. And all of them didn't, I don't know. It was like the style of them and how they fit on me I didn't like. There was one pair of pants that I kind of liked, but the price point was at 49 euros and we're not doing that. So what I'm actually gonna do is I'm gonna cut it right here because I will be going to the Madrid location because that's their flagship store. So I think that store is a little bigger and has more options. So we will go there and we will try their pants. So I'll see you guys then. We will be continuing with our Zara store run. The thing is, it's an hour away, but you already know I'm gonna walk that. So let's go ahead and get to it. Walk with me. Hey guys, so I went into the Zara store and it was cool to see, but unfortunately they did not have anything much different than the last time I went in. All the pant styles that I saw, or all the jackets that I saw, they were basically they had the same types. It was just a bigger store, so they had more of it, but it wasn't anything really different. The experience was cool, walking here and exploring all the levels, but I'm probably gonna wrap it up here. I think I may go into the Uniqlo flagship store just to see if there's anything different in there as well, but as far as Zara, I got nothing, unfortunately, but that's okay because the journey is more important than the destination, and I had fun filming this. I hope you guys learned some English from this, learned new words, understood what was going on throughout most of the video, and that you guys keep improving. More videos to come. Drop a like, subscribe. See you next time.